Hello friends, why oil pressure drops? Lack of oil. Stop the engine and check the oil level with a dipstick. It's lower than required. Fill in oil of the same brand and viscosity, after which the pressure is checked. Untimely replacement. As a result of constant heating, engine oil gradually changes its physical and chemical characteristics. After long runs, the lubricant fluid becomes thick. It passes through the oil channels worse. This leads to decrease in oil pressure and negative side effects, deterioration of lubricant and increased wear of moving part of the engine. Therefore, replacement should be carried out at least as often as recommended by the manufacturers. Medium fault. Wrong engine oil. Each manufacturer indicates recommendation physical and chemical characteristics of the lubricant fluid of the engine. Failure to follow this recommendation may lead to increased operating of auxiliary device and a result to a decrease in oil pressure. Ingress of foreign substance into the crankcase. Most often antifreeze creates a problem. It enters into the oil occur when the gasket between the head and the engine block break. The result in an emulsion that not only lack the properties of a lubricant but it also not compressed by the pump to the desired pressure. Faulty pressure sensor. Most often this problem occurs with Chevrolet engine. If the engine does not warm up, the oil can break through the sensor, after which it stops working correctly. It does not show the correct date. To fix the problem, we do the following. We change the faulty device and don't forget to warm up engine at idle in winter. Complex faults. Oil pump failure. A decrease in oil pressure and increase its consumption are the main things of problem with this device. The oil pump has a considerable service life and rarely fails. Improper appears, poor quality repairs, or incorrectly selected engine oil often lead to its breakdown. Deterioration of pump performance most often occur in the following case. The main component and parts are heavily worn. Clogged or loose oil filter. Gasket damage. Pressure relief valve has failed. Engine wear. If the motor has a mileage of about half a million kilometers, it's possible that components and parts are badly worn out in it. For example, crankshaft lines, oil scraper rings, etc. Each manufacturer always indicates the maximum engine mileage before overhaul. It should be remembered, complex malfunctions are not recommended to be fixed on your own, unless you yourself are a high-class auto repair specialist. In all other cases, you should contact a service station. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.